Hi, now let's see how to change the time frame on MT5. The time frames are located up here at the top. You have M1, M5, M15. M15 means 15 minutes. H1 means 1 hour. M1 means 1 minute, okay? That is how to change your time frame. You can also right-click on your chart and select time frames from here. It's the same thing, but you have more options this way. Let's try one out, M5. This is M15. This is daily, right? Remember what we are changing here is the time frame each candle represents. If we are on daily, each candle represents a full day. Okay, but I feel like using the options at the top here is faster. It's very fast, but in case you mistakenly deleted it, like you can see, I just did. The time frame is no longer there. All you have to do is just right-click on this place, you right-click, and then you can see the option to make it visible again and bring it back. So that is how to modify the time frame on your charts. See you on the next video, where we are going to talk about how to resize and arrange the charts on your monitor. See you there.